Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by finding a clear horizon and noting the sun's bearing. This sets scattering geometry. Put on polarized sunglasses or attach a small 10 degrees circular polarizer to your camera. Polarization reveals subtle cyan. First, face roughly perpendicular to the sun so scattered blue light is strongest. Once done, sweep slowly from horizon up, keeping your eyes relaxed. You will see bluer to cyan shifts at specific angles, as shorter wavelengths scatter and mix with green components. You now refine detection by rotating the polarizer and observing hue shifts at 0 degrees through 90 degrees. Small twists can reveal cyan hidden in broader blue. Use your camera in RAW or manual white balance to capture subtle tints. Digital sensors sometimes show cyan more clearly than the eye. Once you have a candidate patch, log the viewing angle with a compass app and note clouds, humidity, and time. These explain why cyan appears where it does and help repeat the result. You finish by confirming cyan with a known reference. Place a neutral gray or color card in frame and compare hues. This proves the tint is atmospheric, not sensor bias. Then take bracketed exposures in RAW and adjust white balance to see if cyan persists across settings. If you don't see cyan, troubleshoot. Make sure the polarizer is clean and aligned. Remove glass reflections and recheck manual white balance. And repeat at the perpendicular solar angle. Small changes often reveal the color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.